Today, magluluto tayo ng saucy fried rice. Hindi saucy na sosyal, pero saucy kasi marami siyang sauce. Hokkien Fried Rice, let's start cooking. So this is very similar to the Cebuano style steamed fried rice na it's fried rice topped with a very delicious thick sauce. Ito siya, gagawin natin. Medyo kakaibang version kasi ito siya, Hokkien style. Baka doon nang galing ngayon sa Cebu eh. But we will start kaning lamig. Kaning lamig is life in this case and we will season with soy sauce. Simple lang, soy sauce. Then, 2 eggs. Ito, yung eggs natin, hindi siya yung naka-scramble separately, but it is mixed into the rice, no? It will give it a very nice, rich flavor, no? Mix natin siya hanggang maging even yung ating rice, no? Even colored. So, we're cooking it in 2 parts. The first part is our fried rice. Then, the second part is our very nice sauce. Add a little bit of black pepper as well. Add oil to our pan or our wok. Garlic. Saute our garlic. Yan. Once you smell the garlic, we will add our rice. So you don't want to see streaks of the egg, no? The egg just creates a very nice coating around the grains of rice. Let it cook, no? Ganyan, no? Yan. Set it aside, ating rice. So I have here my chicken breast which has been diced. You can also use pork, no? You can use the kasib, the pige, or the loin, no? Yung tenderloin, lomo. Season our chicken with a little bit of soy sauce. So, soy sauce, just a little bit, around a teaspoon of soy sauce. Black pepper. We will add a bit of starch. Ito tawag ito velveting, no? So, it likes create a nice coating around your chicken. And now, let's begin to cook. A little bit of oil. I will start off by sauteing my chicken. Spread it around. Then we will add our mushrooms. I'll add some garlic, carrots, and sweet peas. Now, I will add my chicken stock. Ito yung magiging very nice sauce natin. We will combine our soy sauce and oyster sauce. So, this will be the flavoring natin. We have here a mix of soy sauce, oyster sauce, and for a bit of sweetness and balance, sweet chili sauce. In the meantime, while I'm waiting for that to simmer, I will plate my rice. Napakadali. Kanin ulam na to. Lahati lang. Kasi we have to have room for our sauce. Add our slurry. Maganda dito, potato starch. No? Better than cornstarch. Mas silky siya. Black pepper. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now, I'll add my shrimp. Yan, diced shrimp. Pwede din yung frozen na maliliit, no? And finish with a bit of sesame oil. Talagang very nice, nutty aroma. That's done. Bilis lang, di ba? Oh, look at that. Ang ganda, di ba? Pour over the sauce. Look at that. Yan! Finish with a little bit of spring onions. And we're done. Ako, titikim talaga ako nito kasi it reminds me of my parang childhood favorites, ang steamed fried rice. Ready na ako, ha? Ready na ako. Kayo, ready na ba kayo? Magluto kayo nito, ha? Gusto ko nito, ang partner nito, may konting fried lumpia on the side. Lumpia Shanghai or siomai. Perfect na perfect. Try this recipe at home. I'm sure you will fall in love with this fried rice recipe. Nakakaiba. Ating Hokkien Fried Rice, Simpol! Please like and share my videos. And if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simpol!